Alright, hello. I'm starting up the HP Z6800. I'm showing you here. I got tons of paper I'm going to try out. Lots and lots of it back that way. And I'm going to go ahead and test out a roll over here and see how it works. These machines are Z6800s. The way they are set up is 36 inches wide paper on rolls, like this roll here. And what I'm going to do is load up a roll, take this roll off, and show you guys what it looks like when you get these things going. Try to print some jobs too, and you know, we're just testing it out to see what we can get out of it. But we got two of them, and I'm going to, put them through their paces and give it a shot here. Show you guys what's happening. Lift up the lever, lift up the top. Grab her out of there, lift this other little lever here. Take her off of there. I flip this trigger here. And then I pull it back off of there. Leave that one over there. Lay those in there. This one and move it over to the other one. And as you can see, load it with the roll facing you. Once you have it in this position here, you give it the end capper. This guy. Slide it in there, lock it. And then it's ready to be put in there. I always go with this end in there first and then drop this end in. Alright, then once you got that going, you get some schmutz on your paper here, but you curve it up inward to get it to go in, so you curve it around this bar here. You can see it comes out of the top like that, and what you're looking to do is line it up with this edge here, and let's see, close the window, lower the bar, lower this baby. Now this window here will be where all your settings happen. And I'll show you guys how to load up a roll here. Paper load, say OK, load roll. It's saying option not available now. It's giving me a minute. That's what the head is moving back and forth. There it goes here. It's loading the roll. It wants me to, it's showing you that it's not lined up with the edge. It'll kick it out this way toward me. see a good overview this way like that. Pretty nice printers. I mean, I've had some good prints come out of them. We've used some nice things. They'll even print on canvas rolls, which this is a big canvas roll. I don't know if you can tell how thick that is, or if that's canvas. Neat. Oh yeah, I have to pick my paper, of course. And I have one checked already. And it's about that long, so that'll work. Once it's loaded up, it might ask me to align it with that arrow. This is your batch window here, the onyx rip. And when you get a job in there, you have it right here like this. It's saying there's a media mismatch, so I have to change it from the adhesive to the media I'm using right now. And yeah, once I'm all set, I'll show you guys some prints when it comes out of there. And let's see what you think of them. I mean, it's a really pretty nice printer. Inkjet, of course, so all of the cartridges go in these areas here, and the cartridges are like this. Frequently, you'll get an issue with one of these print heads that you'll take it right out of the package, and it won't be good for some reason or other. This one is brand new, and you remove those orange tabs and put it into the machine in order as it asks you to. This is a pretty helpful setup guide, but this one said right out of the package that it was defective, so I saved it aside to send back or what have you. But anyways, that's pretty much what we're up to with this. I'll show you when I make some prints how they end up looking, and once it's loaded, it spews out a little piece of paper like that, and a lot of times it kicks out one that's got a barcode on it that tells you later what paper you're using, so it can reload it easier without you having to do anything. It'll just scan the barcode and automatically know what paper you're after. Anyways, so yeah, I'll show you guys once I get some prints coming out of here. Thanks for watching the first part here. I got her printing nice here. I got it set up so that each piece will fall down into this tray here. You have to get yourself a tray. I just made a cut and dropped that one. But I'll show you some of them here. Here's a Disney cruise one. Disney Vacation. Things like that. I've been printing all day to get a good idea of how this machine works. And it's interesting. It's not a terrible machine. It just has a lot of things to get used to. You know, a lot of different things happen that you're not used to. And you'll have to go and adjust certain settings, change things, add different paper stocks, stuff like that. I keep matching it up to this paper here, and you know, I've experienced some difficulty, maybe a little bit of sticking together when it lands. Drying time, it hangs for just the briefest moment and then drops in. This is supposed to be instant dry paper, but notice that they are a little tacky still. But everything is working really nicely as far as the printing. You can see it go across and print it, and it's one heck of a machine. I'm pretty interested in this. You can make some large prints, you can print on canvas, you can do all varieties of things, and it actually works. The paper holds the curl for a while, so a lot of times when I take it into the lamination room, I will weight it down with some boards or something to take the curl out of it. And the guys have even gone sometimes to when it's the center of the roll, it's particularly curly, they'll take it and roll it in the other direction and put rubber bands on it to keep it, give it a nice flat surface when they put it through the lamination machine. But as you can see, this one here, cranking it out, you can barely see it through the window there, but once this one's done, it does a measurement and then cuts it and drops it into the bin for me here. And I wish there's a way I can probably set it up to lag a little bit to give it some extra drying time, but watch, this one will chop, and then boom, right into the bin there. So yeah, I mean, you know, it's a production press for small batches and runs of like posters and things like that, but these are, got two of them, and you know, I've been testing them out all day. Not the worst thing ever, not a bad press. Had some fun doing it. Haven't had to do anything in particular nasty. The inks are all pretty good still, even though I've run a bunch of jobs. I haven't really run out of ink, so I can kind of tell that it is good on ink, and it won't, you know, immediately use up the cartridges and ask for more. So yeah, it's not bad. I've had fun setting it up. I certainly enjoy this rip. You know, it shows you everything that's going to happen. It sets it up for you as nice as you can. You know, once you get the cue all set up, you'll have your jobs coming in. And you know, not bad for a first day's test on this machine. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll show you some more interesting presses that I get to test out as time goes on. Thank you. Bye-bye.